Welcome back to the Daudet family, and we're gonna clean the car today because the bird has left a surprise, and
last night
it's dirty.
Last night they had a party. So
Which party?
should
Can you
we
show me?
So like they kind of left us a big surprise. Thank you, birds. Thank you a lot. We're really
Can
happy.
I show what
Yeah.
they did?
Here is the surprise that they left us.
It's more there, here, it's everywhere.
Everywhere.
We
So
really
gross.
thank
Can
you,
you go
birds.
down and see
you
what
did
they
a great job.
did to our car?
there, behind you, Dad.
Baby birds. Yeah, we are going.
Yeah, we're going down now.
We're going down. Check up the car. What did they do? Oh, look at here. Hey, Fat.
They left some poo, and yeah, we don't want to clean it, but we have to.
Yeah, you will do
And
it.
also in the shell of the car, in the front.
Who will do it? I think you will do it.
Should we begin? So yeah, that's
Everywhere
why
shit.
it's really necessary
No.
to clean.
Yeah. Yes. Now take this one.
Take this thing.
Yeah. It's a bush leg, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what do I do?
Yeah. Take this. I will fill up the water here.
Is it just water?
Yeah. Here. Here is water. You can wash and I can pour the water. There's-
Look.
Yeah,
how's it going?
it's a dirty one.
Am I doing good?
Yeah. Try.
You can try.
They left us a big surprise. Wait, I'm gonna.
Give it to her. Yeah.
No!
Give it to Akmal now. A little.
Do it up there.
You were doing Heifer too?
That's there. There.
All right. Over there.
And then if I
shit.
do a little here, if I do here, okay?
Yeah.
If I do here.
Do here too. Give it to Kainat. Give it to Mariam this size. Mariam, you take this size.
A little bit here. Okay, now
Take it.
no, it's if Mariam's turn.
Well done, Mariam. It's not good, birds. Don't do it again.
Yeah. First, you guys better not have.
Clean here. The handle. Clean the handle. Because I take the handle. Here. So, what are you doing, Ifat?
Now, if that's
Do you
turn.
do something?
Get it, look, if that's here. Here, if that's. Do it right here.
Yeah, do it. Ifat knows where she does.
Good, and then you can do a little bit here, up there. Come here. Do a little there. Akta, så
Back. Yeah, good job, Ifat. You're doing well. Very good. Cleaning Papa's car is good job. Go ahead. Up. Take it, Nihal.
Should I help you
You
a little bit?
help, please. Yeah. Here, Sue. Yeah, come here again.
Here was a little.
Can I try my side?
Yeah, try your side.
Come here.
Wait.
Clean this. It's not well clean. Yeah, it's good. What do you say? Another side was something?
I don't know.
Try again.
Wait, I'm just
Yeah,
gonna.
give it up a little bit.
Okay,
will
sure.
try.
Wait, I'm just gonna. No.
Let's say enough.
I'll do a bit.
Go, one other side. Oh, okay, here. Can you bring some water, Mariam? Please,
Wait, I'll do it.
take from here.
I can help you.
Open the water. Yeah.
Here we go.
Give it to me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come, Akmal, here. Here. I will wash it a little bit. Come here, Akmal. A little bit here on the side. Will you clean it? Efat. Yeah, take here.
If I do it now.
If I do this one.
No, here, look, here is some.
Here, Efat. Can you clean here?
If I come here also, here.
Oh. What's happening here?
Here, if I can lift you also.
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Now it's clean water.
Can I do water?
Water. You can pour water. Right?
Wait. Akmal, man håller uppifrån. Där.
Okay.
Can I try it? Oh,
Yeah, it's enough now. Enough. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Hasanat Nehad Mariam. Thank you.
it's on your
Yeah.
mess.
Yeah.
Or do you mean the birds? Yeah.
We say goodbye.
Wait, a bit water and the
Okay guys. Kom hit alla. Okay.
No wasting water.
Yeah. Put everything back.
Maybe come. We're doing the goodbye part.
Oh, put it back, Maria. It's enough. Now it's clean now. Thank you, Akmal.
Spiders here. So guys, that was all for this video. And guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you want more amazing videos like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe because we have just hit 500 subs. Thanks to you guys, and bye guys.
And also one thing what I can tell you guys, in Sweden this usually in the summertime the bird doing like that.
Yeah.
Surprising us.
So, the birds,
Bye-bye.
don't do that again. Bye bye guys.
Bye.
But help us to hit 600 subscribers.
Thank you.